Hi there. Today we're going to be turning a simple t-shirt into a cute skirt in less than 1 hour. That's right, 1 hour. The beautiful thing about this is it's a no-sew tutorial. And who doesn't like that? I love it. Love it. Okay, so look, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a t-shirt, a men's t-shirt, depending on your size. I'm going to be using a 3XL. Now, normally I would be using an extra large, but I couldn't find one. So I'm going to be using a 3T. All right. Next, you're going to need your ruler. You're going to need your scissors or rotary cutter, whatever's, your preference is. And then you have your fabric marking pencil, okay? Now, I want to tell you something real quick about this t-shirt. I'm loving it because, like I said, I could not find an extra large plain men's t-shirt. So I went down to my local thrift shop. It was Dollar Day, okay? And I thought, oh, I'm not gonna find anything. But girl, I found a brand new t-shirt with the tag still on it. And I paid, what? $1. Yes, $1. Love it. Okay. All right, enough of that. Let's get down to work. So, what we're going to do first is we're going to fold this t-shirt in half. Okay? And as you see, I already got it folded. And you'll know this t-shirt happens to be a V-neck. And so, if you see this V right down, you know you are centered. Okay? It's perfect. So, what I want to do here is don't be throwing things at me. That's just rude. You saw that, ladies? Just throwing pencils at me, just wrong. All right, so I'm going to take this like it is, fold it in half. I'm going to take my ruler, and what you want to do is you want to cut about 2 to 3 inches above the seam of the sleeve, okay? Let me come a little closer. I want y'all to see this, okay? Come a little closer. Come on down. All right, so I'm gonna go to about right here, okay? So I'm gonna say that's about straight there, and I'm gonna use my pencil because I wanna make sure that I got this right. So I'm gonna just do a light marking. And you know what? It broke when it fell. That's just wrong on so many levels. Just wrong. Okay. And about right here. Yep, I think that's about straight enough. Okay, perfect, okay? And I'm gonna use this same ruler, and I'm gonna use this as my guide. So when I use my rotary cutter, okay, I'm going to use that, and make sure when you're using a rotary cutter, you definitely use your rotary mat, okay? Now this, you got to have that, otherwise you're going to be messing up your tables and other fabrics and all other stuff going on. So here you go. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this, and I'm going to go right across on that line. All right, back this way. And I'm going to stop there, slide this ruler down so you see how pretty that is, okay? And some more here. And, uh-oh, I think I came off the board. Hold on now. All right, yeah, that's better. All right, I'm coming off the board. I got to be on the board. Okay, this is a 3X, so it's taking up a lot more space than normal. And then there, okay? Now we're gonna hold on to this. We're gonna use this for something later on. All right? And then I'm gonna close this up because it's very sharp and I don't want no accidents here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up this t-shirt, okay? And you have now a t-shirt, and these are going to be your ties right here. These sleeves right here are going to be your ties. okay? But you gotta open up the sleeve. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your handy dandy scissors, you're gonna go ahead and cut right there in the middle, okay? You're gonna where that seam is for the sleeve, and you keep cutting until you get down to the other seam underneath the arm, right there, okay? You cut until you get there, but do not pass that, okay? So then when you get there, now you have 2 ties. Perfect, okay? And we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, now we have a total of 4 ties, all right? Okay, so next, what you're gonna do, believe it or not, we're almost done with this skirt, okay? You're gonna take and fold down the first half. And the second half is gonna be where you're gonna put about 8, anywhere from 8 to 10 little slits across here, okay? Because you're gonna use these to weave in and out and make it gather. But you'll see, you're gonna see this finished product and how great it is. Okay, give me a second, I'll be right with you. All right, so I'm back. So, like I said before we left, you're gonna be using, cutting about anywhere from 8 to 10 slits, okay, across the side. Like I said, you're gonna fold down the front side, and then you have this back side. So I've gone ahead and I've pre-marked my t-shirt. Thank you, camera woman, for that. Okay, and so I'm gonna go ahead. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I did 10 because the shirt is so long and so big. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fold it a little bit, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and snip it right on that line. Okay, and I'm gonna do that for all of them. All right. I think I'm coming down with a cold. This ain't good. All right, and same thing here, here, here. Ooh, okay, I'm all over the place. Now, the good thing about this too is it won't unravel. It shouldn't unravel on you. It's a t-shirt. Most t-shirts don't unravel. And it is adjustable, you know. So if you happen to have a 3 LX or XL t-shirt like this, and you're really should be a small or medium, it's adjustable. Okay, so we have our slits here. All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this back, the one that's in the front, and you're gonna start weaving through the slits. So you're gonna take the tie, weave it in the first, it's gonna come out through there, and then you're gonna weave it back through the next one, and you're gonna do this process until you get all the way to the middle. So there was 10, so you need to go to number 5, okay? So it acts like a belt, sort of, when you think about it, right? That's how I look at it. It's like a belt. Okay, so that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, I think I did 6. I'm not sure. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna go ahead and weave this in and out. Now, I saw this done on someone else, and it was so cute. I was in love. I was like, I got to do this. All right, so we're done, okay? And then what you'll do is See how it looks like a belt in the back there? Okay, and so you're gonna just take it and you're gonna tie it. All right, you're gonna tie it. And you see how it just starts to go in. It's adjustable a little bit there. You'll tie it. Okay, and then you'll have your other tie here. You think, well, what am I gonna do with that? But when you put this on, so when you put it on, you can just you determine if you want to let it hang. I personally like to tie it again over and just lock that in, and it looks really cute on. Now you can't tell that much, but you can see the skirt basically. You know, here's the skirt part, it's hanging down. This is in the front, that's hanging. So, and this is the back, yeah. So I'm gonna try this on for you, but this is what it looks like, if you can see it, all right? And that's with the tie hanging down on the side. But if you go ahead and just go ahead and retie this on the side too, right over the first tie, lock that in, you can see the skirt now. You can see how it's all gathered in the front, and it's simple. It's easy breezy, it's gathered, and it'll be fitted in the back there. So, and it's really cute on. So hopefully this looks really good on me. I would have loved to have done this in a different color so you can see the details a little better, you know, but let me go ahead and try this on, and I will be right back.